Hey guys, are you ready for Number Corner? It's an exciting day because over the weekend you said goodbye to October. Saturday was the very last day of October. So now we are in a brand new month and we're going to keep this month for 30 days. That's a long time, isn't it? Does anybody know what month we're in now? What comes after October? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November. It's now November. So we have a special new November song. It goes like this. Leaves are falling, winter's calling. We are thankful for our friends. November. It's November once again. So it said leaves are falling because we're in the season of fall, and you've probably noticed the leaves are changing colors. They're falling to the ground. So that's a big sign that it's November and that it's fall. The song also says winter is calling. That means we are getting closer to winter, which is the next season. So we're in fall right now, and then in December, we'll switch to winter. And then it says we are thankful for our friends. And it says that because there is a holiday in November. Do you remember what a holiday is? It's a special day that happens once a year. And there's a special day in November called Thanksgiving. And on Thanksgiving, we talk a lot about the things that we're thankful for and that we're grateful for. So Thanksgiving is the holiday in November. Let's sing our November song one more time. Are you ready? Leaves are falling, winter's calling. We are thankful for our friends. November. It's November once again. Very good. So our month is November. Our season is fall. Now, are you ready for our day of the week? Let's sing all of our days of the week. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Woohoo! Now our day of the week today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. So our day of the week is Wednesday, but look, we missed all of these days in November because we had the weekend, then you had 2 days off from school. So we need to look at all 4 of those days. This is a brand new calendar with a brand new pattern. Are you ready to see what's on this month's cards? All right, here is Sundays, which was the first day of November. What do you guys see? It's blue and it's a square. How do you know that's a square? It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what do you notice about the 4 sides? They're all the same, or they're all equal. Remember, equal means the same. So all the sides are equal. 4 equal sides. And if you're a first grader, let's really focus in on this. Look at the corners. You see how it has these perfect little corners that are like this? We call those right angles. Can you say right angle? Can you do your hands like this and make a right angle? This is not right because it's like squished. This is not right because it's big. Right is when one side comes straight across, the other side goes straight up and down, and they meet in that perfect corner. Squares have 4 right angles, perfect little corners. 4 sides that are the same and 4 right angles. So November 1st was a square. Let's take a look at November 2nd. Oh my gosh, are you ready for this? What is that? Here, I'm gonna grab something real quick. Check this out. See this? Yeah, it kind of looks like a box. And look, I also have a red one. They look like boxes, don't they? It's kind of like a square, but a square is flat, okay? Like this is flat. This is not flat. It sticks out. If you were here in the classroom, you could hold this in your hand and it would take up space. This is called a 3D shape or 3-dimensional. Can you say 3D? Very good. A square is only 2D or two-dimensional because it only has height and width. Height and width. Height and width. But this shape has height, width, and depth. 3 dimensions. Height, width, depth. Can you do this with me? So 2D. 2D means flat. Again. 2D means flat. Again. 2D means flat. So two-dimensional shapes are flat. They have height and width. But 3D shapes, we call these solids. They have height, width, depth. Did you see that? Can you do that with me? 3D has height, width, depth. So height is how tall, width is how wide, depth is how deep. Height, width, depth. Height, width, depth. So this is called a cube. Can you say cube? Notice that a cube has a bunch of squares all over it. We call these faces. Look at all those squares. So this is a cube. All right, I'm gonna put these cards back in here so that we can look at Tuesday. Tuesday, November 3rd. What do you see? A green circle. Remember, circles have no straight sides, 0 straight sides. They have 0 points on them. It's a circle. All right, here's today's. Today is November 4th, and here's our shape. Let me pull out a real one for you. Look, it's like a ball. It's like a ball. But ball is what you called it when you were in preschool. Are we in preschool? No, so we gotta learn big kid words for this. First graders, does anybody know what this is? Ooh, some of you remember, this is called a sphere. Everybody say sphere. Yeah, the big kid word for a ball is a sphere. I've got this wooden one. I've got this yellow one. Look how spheres, they can roll around. Nothing is flat on them. It's all rounded. You could make a sphere with Play-Doh if you rounded it out. So this is a sphere. So on our calendar so far, we have a square, a cube, a circle, and a sphere. So it sounds like this month we're focusing on shapes, 2D and 3D shapes. Remember, 2D means flat. 2D has height and width. 3D shapes have 1, 2, 3 dimensions. They have height, they have width, they have depth. All right, let's move on from our calendar. Now we are going to be collecting popsicle sticks this month, but we're going to wait until the second week when we have a full week, okay? All right, let's take a look at your days in school. We don't want to become behind on that. So I'm going to add a chain link. Looks like I need a red. Add our chain link. And then let's go ahead and add our sticker. I'm gonna have to get more stickers. This is our last red one. Okay, so do you see how many full 10 frames we have? Is this one full? Yes, so that's 1. Is this one full? Yes, so that's 2. Is this one full? Yes, so that's 3. Is this one full? Yes, so that's 4. Is this one full? No, so we have 4 that are full. We have 4 10s, just like our chain links. This one's full, this one's full, this one's full, and this one's full. We have 4 10s. Then how many extras do you see? 4. How many extra dots do you see? 4. So if we have 4 10s and 4 1s, does anybody already know how many we're going to have all together? I'm hearing some great guesses. So I'm thinking if we have 4 10s and 4 1s, I think we're going to have this many. Do you know what number that is? What number looks like 4 4? 4 10s and 4 more. 44. Now, is this really just 4? Like, is this really just 4 chain links? Is this just 4 dots? No, it's 4 full 10s. So how many chain links are right here? 40. And how many dots are in these 4 10 frames? 40. So 40 and 4 make 44. 40 and 4 make 44. 40 and 4 make 44. So let's count them all and see if it really is 44. Are you ready? Count out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 44, that's just what we thought it was going to be. Now, let's look at our 10 frames. And this time, I want to count the 10s by 10 and the 1s by 1. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Let's do that again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Just a faster way to count it. All right, now I need to get this updated because we're a little behind. Now, take a look at this chart. Do you know how many boxes are in one of these sticks? 10. So we have a 10, a 10, a 10, and a 10. So how many 10s is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. And then how many are in this group that aren't 10 yet? 4. So we have 4 10s and 4 extras. 40 and 4. Can we turn this into an equation? This is a really challenging question. I'm hoping there's some first graders that are thinking of some equations that match this. Like I'm thinking, I see 40 plus 4. And that equals 44. Do you guys see anything else? I also see 20 plus 20 plus 4, and all together that's 44. Do you see anything else? This is just like when we do our number talks and we look for little numbers hiding inside of big numbers. It's just we're doing it with a much bigger number. So you guys see any other little numbers? I see 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. And all together that equals 44. Do you see anything else? Ooh, what about all the 5s? 1, 2, look, there's a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 5s plus 4. And all together that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So first graders, I want you to start thinking about that when we look at that 100 chart. Looking for little numbers hiding inside of the big number of days we've been in school. All right, now something else we need to get caught up on is check out our number line. He's missing some numbers. It should go all the way to 44. What number is this? 40, 41. What should be next? 42. Then what? 43. And then what's next? 44. And that gets us caught up to today because you've been in school for 44 days. So let's review our families really quick. And then we're almost done. Do you remember the name of this family? The ones. Everybody say, hey, ones. Do you remember the family where everybody has 110? 110. That's a team. Good job. Then we come over here where they all have 2 10s. Do you remember the name of that family? 20s. Everybody say, hey, 20s. I like your 2 10s. Then they all had 3 10s. What do we call those? 30s. Everybody say, hey 30s. I like your 3 10s. Then they all had 4 10s. What do we call those? The 40s. Everybody say, hey 40s. So we are now in our 40s. Whew. We did a lot of work today. I hope that you had fun, and I hope that you're enjoying our new calendar, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.